I'm not trying to friggin' farm with our teammate.
Dead by dying light. That would be a.
There's a large black individual chasing you with violent intent.
Big chat on the go.
Big boy slungy. Smash or pass Chucky? Smash. Should I pull up on the first day of school with that, with Ada Wong's dress on? Would you like that, you fucking freak?
Or something. Oh my god.
Wait, what is it, femboy?
Crash out. Oh.
Show me your meter, I'm finna crash out.
A
Slap his meat?
Very toxic, but overall the game's pretty fun.
Slap his meat, slap his meat, slap his meat.
Shit, my bad. You're oh,
Dr. Cock. I'm good and submissive.
That's
Well, that's good for
even more
you,
cursed than, that.
because they're just teamers. Yes. Damn, Dwight's kind of bad though. Like he's an ass, bro. He's kind of kicked up.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Bad kitten. Naughty kitten. I don't dream about being inside of this doctor. I'm gonna dry hump this pallet.
Yeah, this is riveting. Make those.